Yes, go ahead, Arushi.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Today, we are here to commence our US bar journey. And before Sir take over for the criminal law, we will briefly discuss about the UBE, the states that have adopted UBE, or a little about what is UBE and what all parts are there in UBE. So before we have discussed about the New York bar, and New York bar, we have a brief idea that we need LLM degree. We need to get our degree qualified, and then if they don't, they say that no, your degree is not qualified, then you will have to go and attend the LLM course, and that LLM course cannot be done online. They need in classroom attendance. And after let's first discuss about what is UBE. So all the US states, like almost 41 states, have adopted UBE, and UBE consists of three parts. One is MPT, MBE, and MEE. um, UBE exam is held twice a year, Feb end and July end. What is MBE? MBE is multiple choice questions, like 200 questions, and subjects covered are constitution, criminal, contract, torts, real property, civil, and evidence. And then they give you a real based multiple a scenario, and then you have to select between the four options. That is MBE in UBE, and the minimum passing score for the New York's specific exam is 266. And one thing
Out of
I
400.
out of 400. And one thing I missed is the exam names that I took, like quantity criminal, almost 25 questions from each of the subjects will be tested in MBE, that is multiple choice questions. Then we have the second part, that is MEE, that is essay based exam. Six questions, 30 minutes each, and the weightage is 30% of the total 400. And Shipra will give you a brief about the
Okay,
percentage.
okay, Arushi, so percentages are okay, I will let you know later. The
Yeah.
main point, how we gonna get admission into New York bar?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then New York bar is very hard to get admission, right?
Yes.
So first, can you explain what is the criteria to got admission into New York bar? Then, what is the criteria to get into California bar?
Yeah.
And third is very easy way. I think which
Oregon.
state is very easy?
Oregon.
Oregon State. Oregon State, once you have a law degree, only law degree, LLB from anywhere in the world, other than, not even other than America, even you got it.
Okay.
So, Oregon State is they need only LLB from anywhere in the world. You got it? Anywhere in the world. No bar exam required, no practice is required. If you're gonna have, once you're gonna clear from Oregon, what is the advantage of Oregon? Manish bhai, what is the advantage of Oregon state? Easily you can get admission into that state. Very hard to get admission into New
New
York.
York.
Why, Arushi? Very hard to get admission into New York bar.
So you have to get your degree qualified, and if in case they do not qualify your degree, you will have to do a LLM degree from American Bar accredited university.
In any American university
Yeah.
from American. So if once you doesn't matter you have a law degree, doesn't matter you are a doesn't matter you have a doesn't matter you are a lawyer, you have 20 years experience in Canada, doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you have LLM degree from you have LLM degree from American university, then you can get admission into New York bar state, right?
Yes.
So
But
90% people they don't have LLM degree from accredited American university, only American university, no York University, no University of Toronto or anywhere. Okay,
yes,
yes, go
and
ahead.
Mostly, some of the universities in America do provide distance education, but New York specific requirement is they need in classroom education for that. But if your degree is evaluated, then you are good and you can get registered in New York. So for New York, that is a UBE state. You have 266 marks, and
Marks, it doesn't matter. We'll
yes,
explain later. So
okay.
if the point to be noted, in order to get admission into New York State is very hard because no one have LLM degree from accredited American university. So second option is
California.
California. Still, California is very hard to get admission into California state. What is the criteria to get admission into California state? Arushi,
Okay.
yes, go ahead, please.
So California has two paths. One is attorney path and one is student path. If you are already an attorney, which I'm assuming everybody here is, they can choose the attorney path. Otherwise, you can go to student path. For attorney path, we'll discuss that first. You need to be licensed to practice anywhere. You should have an unrestricted license, a good standing with the bar in which you are registered, and no minimum year of practice is required in attorney path in California. How we can apply there? It's you have to go and register on the applicant portal. You have to submit certificate of good standing that should not be older than 6 months. It should be in English and or either certified translated or an original sealed form. And they will also need MPRE and moral character application. And there are also two paths again in attorney path. One, if you have practiced for more than 4 years, you will only have to appear for two exam, and you'll be giving 1 day exam in which two exams are conducted. One is essay exam, one is performance test. Otherwise, you will have to give the general California bar exam that is divided into 2 days. One is essay
No, no,
and
we will go into detail.
yeah,
First, what is the criteria to get admission into California?
California bar.
Yeah,
For
first requirement is
for attorney path, you should have an unrestricted license. That means you are eligible to practice anywhere.
I mean, so what is the criteria? For example, I'm a Canadian lawyer.
You
I'm a
should
Canadian.
you should
What is the
have
minimum criteria to get admission into
uh, California
California
bar.
bar?
Yeah,
Yes, go
you
ahead.
should have a law degree. You should be licensed in any with the bar, and you should have a good standing. That's it.
That's it.
Yes.
So what is the disadvantage? Disadvantage mean I think okay, easy to get into California bar. Only
Yeah.
you have a law degree. It means all people are right here. All of them have a law degree from back home, law degree from Canada. So easily they can get admission into
Yeah, into California bar, but
California bar.
not
But
only law degree. You should be licensed with the bar.
with the bar. So, okay, with the bar. So it doesn't matter 1 day experience, 1 month experience, as long as you have done your bar. Okay,
Yes.
so in order to get admission into New York University, minimum requirement is LLM from university, American university.
Yeah.
Number second, in order to get admission into uh,
California
California bar, so minimum requirement is you have to be a
licensed.
lawyer anywhere in your jurisdiction in addition to
Licensed.
licensee. So okay, all people are licensee. We
Yeah.
all people, you all people are licensee. It means all of them can go and get admission into.
California bar.
So what is the disadvantage? I think you cannot transfer from California to anywhere in US. This is the
US.
biggest
This.
disadvantage. In New York, it's an advantage within 3 years. Once you're gonna done your law, so after 3 years you can transfer all over USA
Yes.
through
Um.
New York bar, right?
Yes.
So this is an advantage. So disadvantage is very hard to get admission into
New York bar.
New York bar. Satinder bhai, you got it? Satinder, can you hear me? Satinder Pal Singh, can you hear me? Can you please
Yes,
unmute
yes,
yourself?
sir. I can hear you.
Okay, you got it. In order to get admission into New York, first requirement is LLM from
Home jurisdiction, wherever you're.
American jurisdiction.
Okay, American jurisdiction. Okay.
American jurisdiction, LLM. Okay,
Okay.
basic requirement. Or of course, only LLM requirement or law degree is also requirement. Of course, LLB, LLM doesn't matter you have bar degree or not, right?
Right.
But main biggest disadvantage, none of them have LLM from American university. So once you will get admission into New York University, then once you're gonna pass the exam, then after 3 years you can transfer all over America. Second thing is California. California as compared to New York, California easily you can get admission into California bar. Once you have a law degree, doesn't matter you have a law degree from India, you have a law degree from America, as long as you have a law degree plus bar exam, bar, you are qualified barrister and solicitor in your jurisdiction. Still, you can apply for money, you can apply for.
The bar exam.
Huh?
For the bar exam?
No, no, you didn't understand my point. It's my fault. I need your proper attention, Satinder, Manish, because no one is turning on the camera, so I cannot. Is attract interactive class is very important. Okay. Again, Satinder, Manish, I just told you you have a law degree from. Okay. What is the criteria to get admission into New York University? Yes, Manish.
There are two ways, sir. One is either you do your LLM from New York or any American states. Another is there is an evaluations. If you
No,
get
no,
through
only
the
one criteria.
evaluation,
Only one criteria. To
no, there
get,
are two, sir.
once you have done LLB, then you have done LLM from American University, then you can get admission into New York State, right,
So
Arushi?
no, there is one other way, sir. You can be assessed and you can go right away to the New York bar without pursuing your LLM. There is another pathway as well. I'm right, Abhishek?
Exactly. You got it.
Am I
Now
right?
you got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's very hard to get admission. So what is the other pathway other than LLM?
The other way is that you have to submit your documents. There is a pre-evaluation, and if
Right.
they, I don't know what it's called, but if it is they evaluate
What is
you,
called, Arushi?
That is for an evaluation form. Then you
yes.
have to submit your
So
transcripts and
90% chances, according to my personal opinion, correct me if I'm wrong, Arushi, correct me if I'm wrong, 90% chances are if you don't have LLM degree from American University, 90% your application would be declined. Arushi, what do you think?
they
Or
will give.
50%?
No, no. If you do not have the LLM degree, they will say you have to complete these courses, and then that you have to get the credit for those courses. Then you for those credits you'll have to go and get an LLM degree. So that is how it works.
Okay,
It's kind of sir reevaluating yourself like we did here at NCA. It's the same as over there.
exactly same manner.
Once they requalify you, and then you will be eligible for the New York bar. So there are two pathways.
Exactly,
So the
exactly.
easy one is LLM. It involves a huge cost and everything, time and everything. Other is
So
another pathway, but in California you don't need that. The advantage of California, you don't need that. You can be a lawyer in any jurisdictions, any other in any part of the country of
not
any
even,
year.
yeah, exactly, lawyer,
Yeah. So
exactly.
you must be not a law degree holder, but you must be a practicing lawyer, licensed lawyer, and then you can apply. If you have a 4 year experience, you have an advantage that you can go for a 1 day test. And if you have a less than 4 years, then there are 2 day tests. That's a more lengthy process. You have to go all those three things.
Yeah,
The
so
biggest
what is the,
disadvantage is, moreover, sorry, sir. So the
yeah,
biggest
please go ahead.
advantage is once you have a California license, you cannot transfer to any other states. That's
Because
the biggest advantage.
California is not a UBE state.
UBE, yes.
It has its own separate bar.
Exactly.
So third is or Arushi, which state? Oregon.
Oregon. So
And
Oregon is again a UBE state, and you'll have the same exam, and the cutoff is different.
no,
Uh,
the cutoff, how to get admission into
okay. You
Yeah.
Oregon. So Oregon needs your qualifying law degree. Again, you have to send your law degree to the evaluation agencies, that is WES or A to Z. And once you get your degree evaluated, then you can like get
You
admitted
can apply
into the
for,
Oregon.
you can state.
Yeah.
Only law degree is required.
Yes.
Doesn't
And
matter you have qualified for the, you have done barrister and solicitor, it doesn't matter. As long as you have a LLB degree from India or from Canada,
yes.
okay, even you have done your, okay, so basically LLB, right? So
Yes.
for example, Arushi, correct me if I'm wrong. These all people are barrister and solicitor, but they don't have LLB degree from Canada. These all people are qualified Canadian lawyers
Yep.
through NCA, NCA
Yep.
barrister and solicitor.
Yes.
But all people have done law degree from back home. So
Yes.
once they're gonna apply, how they gonna apply for Yukon
So
state,
Oregon
Oregon?
Oregon State is, you have a law degree from your back home. You can get the transcripts for the law degree, like the LLB degree, and then you can send to the Oregon bar. And first, you will have to get it evaluated from the West. They give you Juris Doctor evaluation. Then you will have to go and file that in the Oregon law bar, and based on that, if your degree is evaluated to be right, to be based on the APA standards, you are good. You don't need
So
any experience.
exactly. So this is very easy to get into Oregon state,
There
right,
is
Manish bhai?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Good.
correct.
So what is the advantage of Oregon state? Once you're gonna qualify for the Oregon state, Oregon, right? Correct me
yes,
if I'm wrong.
Oregon.
Oregon.
Oregon state. So after 3 years with good standing law, after 3 years, you can transfer anywhere in USA. This is a big advantage. So very easy to get into admission, very easy to got admission into Oregon State based on only LLB degree. LLB degree from back home, additional document, we are barrister and solicitor in Canada. So your all LLB degrees from back home, transcript, same way which you did for NCA, which you did for NCA. So same thing from that university, directly they're gonna send to Oregon State based on LLB degree. In addition to LLB, addition extra maybe they're gonna waive some subjects. Oh, we are barrister and solicitor. So minimum criteria is LLB. That's it. So based on LLB degree, you're gonna get admission. Right,
And
Manish bhai?
Right, sir.
there is
So
one more way in Oregon. If that is supervised practice portfolio exam, in which the employer that is practicing in Oregon State, you find that employer, he's ready to give you apprenticeship, and there is a criteria, you need 675 hours of work and like 4 hours for training, online training. Then you can also get admission to the Oregon bar. Like, you don't have to give any exam. If you do that training, you are eligible to be admitted to the bar in Oregon.
So according to my opinion, broad vision, Manish, Satinder, or Parminder, broad vision is, what do you think? There should be a broad vision through New York State, through California State, or through Manish bhai,
Oregon.
through Oregon State.
Oregon.
Oregon State advantage is you can get admission, number one, based on your LLB degree. Extra documents they don't need, but we gonna send it, but they don't need. Okay. Or second advantage, within 3 years after done your law from Oregon State, you can transfer all over America. The point to be noted, according to my opinion, go to Oregon State. Now, okay, so every state has a different laws. Oregon have a different laws, California have a different laws, and New York have different laws, right? So our way of teaching would be, for example, criminal law. Everywhere is a criminal law. We're gonna teach criminal law is a national wide UBE. I mean, it doesn't matter UBE, MBE, or whatever. So criminal law is a criminal law, right? Criminal law is a federal. Second one is family law is a federal. Canadian American Constitution is a federal. So we're gonna teach all subjects. We're gonna teach all subjects. But for example, business law, New York have a different business law. California have a different laws, business law, because it's a local. Real estate law is a different one. So we're gonna teach all subjects. We're gonna teach criminal law. We're gonna teach business law. Business law. The next, okay, business law. We're gonna teach estate law. We're gonna teach professional responsibility. We're gonna teach contract law. We're gonna teach civil procedure, evidence, family law, real estate law, tort law, constitutional law, and conflict of laws. There are 12 to 14 subjects. Some subjects on federal level, some subjects on provincial level. So for example, business law in different business law in New York state than California state. So rules is the same. You got it? Business law. Okay, how to incorporate corporation. So basically 90% laws are similar. Even Canadian laws are Canadian, Alberta business law, state law, okay, contract law, okay, tort law, Alberta, Ontario, New York state, California state, Oregon state. 90% is the same. 90% is the same. So 10% is difference. So you have to work hard for 10%. I'll teach you today. I'm gonna teach you criminal law. In the criminal law, New York have a different criminal law, although it's a federal criminal law. New York have different criminal law, and other than New York is a different. Example. I need your eye contact. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. For example, in criminal law, I need your eye contact. Manish, Satinder, Parminder, I'm going to ask the question. Criminal law. For example, I'm going to rob the bank. Please unmute yourself, Satinder and Manish. I'm going to give you example. I'm going to rob the bank. So my intention was not to kill someone. Accidentally, someone was killed. Killed. My intention was not to kill. So in New York law, I'll be charged for second degree murder in New York. But other than New York, I'll be charged under first degree murder. Rule is, for example, I am going to rob the bank. I'm going to rob gas station. I'm going to rob in your house. While robbery, accidentally, I kill someone. Accidentally, my intention is not present. New York law, you will be charged under
second degree
murder. Okay, I'm gonna teach second degree murder. Now you're gonna take the help of वो क्या है वो शिप्रा वो क्या कहते हैं वो कौन सी है यार आईटी वो डीप सीक और
Chat GPT, Perplexity.
or prep I don't know what
Perplexity. Perplexity.
Yeah, so again communication problem. So there are three things. So you can take advantage. Oh, okay. For example, fact pattern. You will see in the exam. Fact pattern. You will see in the exam. Amir is going to rob the trailer. His intention was not to kill anyone. Okay, his intention was not to kill anyone. These are fact pattern. Okay, while robbery, unintentionally someone was killed. Accidentally someone was killed. So in New York, he will be charged under
second degree murder.
But you are giving the exam other than New York state. Same fact pattern you're gonna write into ChatGPT or DeepSeek. So they're gonna give you proper answer.
Right.
Oh, other than New York state, you'll be charged under first degree murder. Make sense?
Excuse me, sir, I have question.
Yes, please.
Sorry about that. I am not office today. I am traveling tomorrow out of state, so that's why
You are in
I have a tight schedule.
right?
Yes, sir. So I took a California bar exam a couple years ago, but unfortunately I did not pass. But I hope under your supervision I will pass next time. So my
You know what? Next time, don't worry about it. We're gonna
yes,
rock into American corporate world. Remember one thing.
yes,
We
sir.
will, NCA Exam Guru will rock into American corporate world within 1 year. That's my promise to you.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
even think
Sure.
to fail the exam. How dare to fail the exam? Once I need your proper attention. If you're gonna give me a proper attention,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna today, last 1 hour, I'm gonna teach criminal law. By the end of the class, I'm gonna ask, raise any question from anywhere. You will be able to give the answer. इतनी खूबसूरत प्रेपरेशन आपकी करवाऊंगा. So yes, go ahead.
So first of all, we are talking about the New York bar exam. If we any foreign attorney, I am not talking about a Bristol solicitor
Any
or
foreign
Canadian.
attorney mean India or Pakistan,
Yeah,
Nigeria, Canada,
any country.
other than American.
Yes. So they have to they have to do the LLM, American Bar Association. Sorry about that. I'm talking about the ABA approved LLM. Not only LLM, some school or some college or some university they are allowed LLM online or maybe the unapproved
Even
law school.
according to your opinion, some American university are not qualified, right?
Not ABA approved. American
No,
Bar. Yeah.
so useless.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pacific University gonna qualify
Yeah.
for get admission into
New York.
New York.
And the
So
second thing is second thing is we are talking about the if we become the California attorney, we can not convert any license another state. So, but we can do federal law anywhere. If we are
thank you.
if we are a CA
So
California attorney, we can practice anywhere, any state. Only for
California, no, once you're gonna qualify for the California bar, can you transfer your license to anywhere in America?
we cannot transfer our license, but I am talking we can uh, practice federal law like
Yeah,
the
well, certain,
immigration.
certain, certain limits, certain.
Yes,
Example, criminal law you can practice. Okay,
if
in
you are sorry, Boda, if you are
I got it. I got it. For example, once you have done your you are a lawyer in California state,
California,
but
yes sir,
example, criminal law is a federal. You
yeah,
can qualify federal in New York.
yes sir,
Business law, you can not practice in New York business law
yes,
because
yes
business
sir,
law is a local.
yeah.
Extra
Immigration law is a
information.
federal, so we can practice immigration law anywhere.
Yes. So now, Satinder, thank you very much, Mr. Ata. So,
No problem.
Manish Bhai, Satinder, Parminder, any question? Anywhere, Mr. Tahir, Kiki, Trippy, Mini, lot of people are here. Any question regarding how to got admission into? So my point of view is go with Oregon State, which is very easy. Only law degree is required. Extra document is total up to you. Got it? Any question?
Yes.
If you have any question other than the class, you can. I'm 24/7 available. Komakshi is 24/7 available. Shipra and Arushi, they are barrister and solicitor in Canadian jurisdiction. Of course, they are not available for 24/7. Okay, they are married. So I'm unmarried, Komakshi is unmarried. So we are 24/7. But both are married, plus they are lawyers, Canadian lawyers. So they are not available. So you got it. Now we gonna teach. For example, I'm gonna teach. Amir Chaudhary gonna teach criminal law, business law, business law. Part of business law, there are two subject of business law: secure transaction. Anyway, business law, estate law, professional responsibility. I'm gonna teach. Kumakshi gonna teach contract law, civil procedure, evidence law, family law. Kumakshi gonna teach. Arushi gonna teach real estate law, tort law, and Shipra gonna teach American Constitution law and conflict of law. Altogether 12 subjects. Okay, now I'm gonna start very soon. What is American criminal law? You will enjoy a lot. You have no idea. Once you're gonna watch my criminal law lecture, that's my how dare to fail in the exam. Ata, remember one
Yes, sir.
thing. You are failed 2 years ago, right?
Yes, sir.
Once you're gonna watch our lectures, दम है तो फेल होके दिखा. I'll challenge you. How dare to fail my exam, American exam?
I hope, sir, I will pass.
Not I hope. We will, no matter what. We have to clear the exam. If you think I will try my best, 50% pass, 50% fail. I will try my best to pass the exam. No, we will pass the exam no matter what. We must
Yes.
clear the exam no matter what. Make
Yes.
sense?
Yes, sir.
Attitude. I will. या तो काम स्टार्ट ही ना करो. Don't start. If you wanna start, okay. So now, how many hours to clear American exams? Doesn't matter from New York, California, or anywhere in America. We're gonna teach 600 hours, almost plus minus 600 hours. 12 subjects, 600 hours. We will teach. Okay, 600 per subject would be Satinder per subject would be
50 hours.
50 hours. So we'll teach 50 hours per subject. So 12 subjects, 600 hours. 12 subjects, 600 hours will teach you. Okay. Then you have to spend two or three extra, 2 to 300 hours extra. For the safe side, according to my opinion, if you're gonna spend 900 hours, you are qualified for the bar exam. 900 hours. 600, we're gonna teach plus minus 50 hour per subject. Okay, we're gonna teach. May make sense? 600
Yes.
hours. Then 300 hours you have to spend extra. Now, two exams in American, anywhere, two exams. February and Arushi and July.
July.
Once you gonna February, you are eligible for February. You can write an exam in February and
July.
two
Next.
exams in 1 year. Okay. Now, if you're gonna apply it today, if you're gonna apply it today for the bar exam, they're gonna take 5 to 6 months. If you're gonna apply it today, Arushi, Shipra, correct me if I'm wrong. If you're gonna apply for New York bar or California bar, Oregon state, anywhere state, they're gonna take I think 5 to 6 months, right?
That's the
6 months.
approx.
Mr.
Yeah.
Ata, did you apply? So how many months they took for evaluation after the last document, Mr. Ata?
So, in 3 to 4 weeks maximum.
No. I don't think 3 to 4 weeks. Absolutely not.
Sir,
Absolutely.
when I applied, it was the COVID, so maybe that's why that
Oh,
they took
maybe COVID
long
is a
time.
different. COVID
Yeah,
was everything was different.
but the
But
2 week is normal. They took 2 week, but depends on
no.
the
100% 3 to 4 months. 100%. Because you applied for COVID. COVID was different. Now you're gonna apply 3 to 4 minimum 4 month. I think Ruchi, what do you think?
no. 4 months is very long.
Okay. Then I'm wrong. Right, Ruchi?
Maybe
What do you
maybe
think?
I'm not sure that.
They take almost 6 months, and on each of their websites, like the particular bar websites, they have mentioned. Just keep in mind they might take 6 months, so don't expect
Yeah,
them to work
that's
any
what I'm saying.
faster.
How is it
Yeah.
possible 2 weeks or 3 weeks? Anyway, no problem. 6 months. Let's say for the take a 6 month. If you're gonna apply for if you're gonna apply, make a account today. 6 month mean July whole month, July, August, September, October, November. By the end of December, they're gonna give you okay. You can write a bar exam in December. Then I think then again in February you can write an exam in February next year, or you can write an exam
In
July
July.
next year. So
The
6 month gap, 6 month gap. So how we gonna teach 6 subjects in 3 months? We're gonna teach Monday to Friday, 7:30 every day, Monday to Friday, almost 7 to 10, between 7 to 10, maybe 7 to 10, maybe 8 to 10. For example, contract law, 90 minutes sufficient. 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Contract law. Criminal law, 7 to 10. Monday to Friday, every day we're gonna take a class. Monday to Friday, every day we're gonna take a class. Monday to Friday. Okay. For example, Monday I'm gonna teach criminal law. Monday I'm gonna teach criminal law. Monday 7 to 10. I'm gonna teach criminal law. Tuesday, Kumakshi gonna teach contract law and family law. I think family law, contract and family law.
Only
Tuesday and
contract law on Tuesdays, sir.
Tuesday contract law. Almost time is between 7 to 10 Tuesday. And when Wednesday,
Constitution.
Shipra is going to
Constitution.
take Constitution.
Constitution law. Wednesday, Constitution 7 to 10, Shipra gonna teach Wednesday. Thursday,
Civil.
again
Civil
Kumakshi,
procedure.
civil procedure. Again Kumakshi gonna teach civil procedure. Then Friday, I'm gonna teach
Business law.
business law. So basically, two subject: criminal law and business law. So first 3 months, we're gonna cover how many subjects, Mr. Manish?
6.
6 subjects. Beautiful. If you have any question, because if you have any question other than the class, you can give me a call. You can give call to Kumakshi. Kumakshi is a future star. Mark my words. Future star. Okay. Again, I need eye contact. Now, criminal law. Criminal law. What is criminal law? I'm gonna give you general idea of criminal law. I'll give you general idea of Parminder, Satinder, Manish. Can you unmute yourself? Criminal law. There are three parts of Canadian. There are three parts of American criminal law: offenses, defenses, and procedure. There are three parts of criminal law: offenses, defenses,
Procedures.
and Manish bhai,
Procedures.
procedure. Criminal law. Okay, criminal law. Second step, Crown. Okay, for example, what is criminal law? I'm gonna punch to your face. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna rape you. These are criminal law. So once police gonna charge me, okay, police gonna charge me, then we gonna go to the court. We have to defend. Defense lawyer. Defense lawyer gonna work for me. Other side is if I'm gonna punch to your face, Satinder, if I'm gonna punch to your face, of course you are I'm accused, you are
I'm a
Victim. Victim.
victim.
victim, yeah.
I'm accused, you are victim. Now Crown will prove my actus rea, my mens rea,
Mens rea.
my factual causation, legal causation beyond the reasonable doubt. One question. Crown will prove based on balance of probability or beyond the reasonable doubt. Answer is
Beyond the reasonable doubt.
beyond the reasonable doubt that at the time of the crime, my actus rea was present. At the time of the crime, my
Mens rea was present.
mens rea was present. Crown's responsibility. That my responsibility is
As a defense lawyer,
defense lawyer. I have to file a defense. I have some justification. Why would I kill you? Maybe self-defense.
being a
Self-defense.
defense lawyer, you first go the mens rea was not.
Maybe
there.
self-defense, provocation defense, disease of the mind defense. I have to file a defense. So my defense lawyer will prove based on balance of probability that my mens rea was not present, my actus rea was not present based on balance of probability. Another question. So crown responsibility is to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that as a accused, my actus rea is present, my mens rea is present. Factual and legal causation, I will let you know later. Satinder? What
Yes.
did I do? I punched to your face. Who am I?
You are accused,
Accused. You are?
victim.
Now, police gonna charge me. They're gonna take me to the police station, bail hearing, whatever, search and seizure. Don't worry about it.
Right.
Now, in the trial hearing, Crown will prove
Beyond reasonable doubt.
not balance of probability.
Beyond reasonable
At,
doubt.
at the time of the crime, my actus rea was present, my mens rea was present. One question.
Right.
If you're gonna tomorrow you're gonna write criminal law, you're gonna get 1 mark or 2 marks. Second question, we have to file a defense. Which defense? In the given scenario, maybe self-defense, maybe provocation defense, maybe disease of the mind defense, any one defense. One question, which defense is approximately available? I will teach. Based now, my lawyer will prove based on
Balance of probability.
Balance of probability.
balance of probability, not beyond the reasonable doubt. Then search and seizure, I will explain. Now, come to the point. Come to the point. Today, I'm gonna share the screen. How many topics criminal law gonna be finished? How many topics? Criminal law will be.
Finished.
Criminal law will be. I need an answer, guys. How many topics? Okay. यार वो किधर गई? Just for 1 second. Just for 1 second. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Just for 1 second. यार वो किधर गई? वो फाइल किधर गई? Just for 1 second. Just for 1 second. Where is the file? Oh, for Komakshi, I need your help. Where is the file?
So you can go ahead with opening the same file. There was an index.
Index. नहीं तो किधर है वो फाइल ही किधर गई है? 1 second. I have to stop. Just for 1 second. Recording. Yeah, मुझे I need your really I need your help. किधर गया यार? यही थी. कैसे निकालनी है मुझे बताइए ना प्लीज.
No, not this one, sir. Please stop your recording.
Okay, just for 1 second. Sorry about that. Today I'm
Sir,
gonna teach. Okay, just for 1 second. Just for 1 second. Just for 1 second. I'm gonna. हैं? Recording in progress. Okay, computer guys. Satinder, Parminder, Manish. 3 people are in front of me. That's my promise out of all people. 3 people will be passed in the exam. Because rest of the people, if you will not gonna, okay, according to my personal opinion, I have a very extensive teaching experience. If you will turn on your camera, 80%, 90%, 100% chances you're gonna pass the exam. If you're gonna turn on your camera, I need your eye contact. Constantly, I'm gonna ask the question. 90%, 100%, you will be able to clear the exam. If camera is off, 50%. Thumb rule, my thumb rule. Camera is off, 50% pass, 50%
Not pass.
So constantly I'm gonna ask Parminder, Satinder, and Manish. 3 people I'm gonna ask. If 3 people gonna say yes, we got it, I will assume rest of the people will understand. If 3 people, one of them gonna say I did not understand, then of course I have to stop. And you can raise any question at any time. Okay, so I'm gonna share. See, these are my notes with the help of ChatGPT. These are total almost 50 to 60 topics. 50 to 60 topics. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
50 to 60 topic plus minus. Okay. Example. I make my own book. First degree murder is a topic. Question can come from first degree murder. Question can come from second degree murder. Question can come from voluntarily manslaughter. Question can come from involuntarily manslaughter. Question can come in co-ed crimes. Okay. Question can come from this one, principal offender, accessory liability, principal offender, aiding and abetting, counseling, conspiracy, okay, accessory after the crime, assault, battery, kidnapping, abduction. These are, you will be tested in the exam. 100% you will be tested. Rape, statutory rape, larceny. Larceny in, there is no larceny in Canada. Name is different. So robbery, see self-defense, definition of duress, insanity defense. So we're gonna start from first degree murder. So today I'm gonna teach first degree murder. You will enjoy a lot. First degree murder in New York. First step is a planning and deliberation. First step is
Planning and deliberation.
planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. I need your eye contact. Today I'm gonna teach first degree murder and second degree murder. What is first degree murder? What is second degree murder? And what is difference between first degree murder and second degree murder? First step, first degree murder, planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. You have to fill in the blanks. Planning and Stinder, planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. Example, I'll give you planning mean intention. Intention. Write it down. Planning mean intention to kill.
Okay.
In order to establish first degree murder, planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. Example, I'm sitting here. Satinder, sitting
Yes.
here, thinking I have to kill Satinder. I'm sitting in my office, thinking I have to kill Mr. Satinder. Satinder, Monday night, 12 o'clock. Monday night,
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. How? Okay, this is make a planning. I'm making a
Planning.
planning. Monday night, 12 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, Monday 10 o'clock, I'm gonna go to my brother house, take a gun. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock, I'm gonna stand in front of his house. 11 o'clock. And 12 o'clock, once he will out from the home, I'm gonna kill. So here is a planning sitting in my home. Sitting in my home. Okay, planning is done. Planning is
Done.
done. So when deliberation gonna start? When deliberation will start? Planning is done. Then deliberation. Deliberation is, okay, today is a Friday. Okay, when I'm gonna kill you?
On Monday.
Monday, what time?
12 p.m.
12 p.m. Today is a Friday. Plan is good. Today is a Saturday. Plan is good. Planning is done. Now Sunday, Monday, 10 o'clock. 9 o'clock, I stand up. Deliberation. Mean start action on planning is equal to
Deliberation.
deliberation. Write it down. Start action on planning is equal to
Deliberation.
deliberation. 10 o'clock, I stand up, went to my brother house, take a gun, wait outside your house, you step out and I kill you. Planning is done, deliberation is done.
Done.
So I will be charged under
First degree murder.
first degree murder. You got it? Praminder?
Yes.
Manish bhai, you got it? First degree
Yes,
murder.
sir. I got it.
Okay, just remember the first degree murder. These are fact pattern. You will see there are 4 options A, B, C, D in couple of question in the exam. But in addition to, we have to write. Oh, you know what? Okay, anyway, planning and deliberation is done. First degree murder is done. Second option, I'll give you a scenario. I need your eye contact, Parminder. I need your eye contact, please. My name is Amir Chaudhary. I decided I'm gonna kill Satinder. What time I'm gonna kill Mr. Manish?
12, sir. 12 p.m.
What day?
Monday.
Monday. Today is a Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Still 2 days left. When I look at, oh my God, Satinder is here. Satinder is
Here.
here. It's a good opportunity
Kill right now.
to kill him right now. So I kill before deliberation. Kitchen. So today is a Friday, not Monday 12 o'clock. So four option. I can be charged first degree murder, second degree murder, or third or fourth. Which?
Second, sir.
Okay. Yes, Tinder.
I believe, sir, that will be the first degree then, because there
Okay.
is still deliberation.
Okay. Manish is saying second degree murder. You are saying first degree murder. Now think. Okay. First degree murder. Okay. First degree murder. First degree murder planning and not
Deliberation.
or. Planning plus deliberation combo is equal to
First degree.
first degree murder. My deliberation was my deliberation was 10 o'clock. What is the definition of deliberation?
Act
Monday,
on planning.
10 o'clock, when I stand up, okay, Monday, today is a Monday, 8 o'clock, sitting in my home. Planning is done. Monday, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, I wake up.
Okay.
Start action on planning. According to planning, I did everything.
That is first degree.
First degree murder. But here, my deliberation was not start. My deliberation will be start 10 o'clock. When I start action on planning, then first degree murder. But here I kill you before deliberation. So deliberation minus only planning, then
Second degree murder.
second degree murder. Right, Parminder bhai?
Yes, sir.
I don't teach.
Uh,
I play. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I am not from Canada. I'm from Sydney. I'm from Australia. So I have a plan to sit in that. I start plan with the New York Bar Council, but from last 1 hour conversation, I'm just thinking to go for Oregon, which is looks
No,
very
no,
easy.
no. Then you are out of this class. No, no. It's so okay. So Parminder, I mean, now focus on this point. That topic is gone. So call me after the
Yes.
class. You
Yep.
are not mentally present. When crime gonna be done? When accuracy and mens rea coincide. Your accuracy is present. How to clear the exam? Your accuracy and your mens rea must be present. But in the given
Mhm.
scenario, your accuracy is here, but your mens rea is still Oregon State.
Okay.
This is a very bad thing.
No,
Are
no,
you
no.
sure?
Actually,
No, no.
actually,
You have to
yes.
understand my point. My point is once I'm gonna teach first degree murder, just focus on first degree murder.
Okay.
I just give you challenge. My challenge, you three people will not gonna be fail.
Thank you.
My challenge, you three people out of even 100 people, you will not gonna be fail because your camera is on. But right now, your attitude not to clear the exam, absolutely not.
Mhm.
I need a proper attitude, proper. Again, Praminder, I need your eye contact. Topic is a first degree murder. Only Praminder. Topic is don't
First
write,
degree.
don't write. I need.
Mhm.
आप सोफे पे बैठे हुए हैं.
No, no. I was in my office, so it's
Topic is a first degree murder. Is that okay? Do not
yep,
write. Leave your copy and pen. Leave your copy and pen.
yep.
आप कॉपी और पेन को ड्रॉप कर दें प्लीज. First,
Mhm.
clear the concept. First 50 hours I'm gonna teach. First 50 hours I'm gonna teach. Next 25 hours you have to make your notes. Sit down in your home, make a notes. I'll give you my notes as well. You got it?
Mhm.
So topic is Parminder. Topic is a first degree murder. Issue
Mhm.
first degree murder. What is the rule of first degree murder? I just told you. Yes, Parminder.
Planning and deliberation.
Planning and deliberation. So planning and deliberation.
Deliberation.
My plan was to kill Mr. Satinder.
At 12.
My plan was to kill Mr. Satinder Monday
At
at 12 o'clock. Make sense?
yep.
If you will not gonna give me answer, then what will I assume? Make sense mean I'm asking the question, right?
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Raminder bhai,
Yes, sir.
please, I need your eye contact. I'm not wasting your time, Satinder, Ata, Shipra, Naveed, Tripti. I'm not wasting your time. Concept should be clear क्योंकि एग्जाम में concept ही आने हैं. Concept is in order to establish first degree murder rule is Crown will prove my planning plus deliberation. Then I will be charged under first degree murder. Is that okay?
Yep.
Is that okay, Praminder?
Yes, sir. My voice is. My
There are
hello,
question.
hello.
हाँ जी, आपको आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me?
हाँ जी सर, मेरे को आवाज आ रही, आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
आ रही है तो मैं आपको बोलो ना.
अच्छा, फिर ठीक है. मैंने
Okay, okay. Now it's my fault. Actually, this is my fault. Okay. Topic is Parminder. Topic is
first degree murder,
first degree murder. What is the rule of first degree murder?
planning and deliberation.
Planning and deliberation. Fact pattern is I am
Uh,
accused.
accused, yes.
Accused. Accused mean कत्ल करने वाला मुजरम.
Kata karne wala. Yep.
So who will be killed? Victim
Satinder,
is victim is
Yep.
Satinder.
Yep.
So my planning was I'm gonna kill Monday 12 o'clock. I'm gonna kill Monday 12 o'clock.
So,
Planning is done. Planning is
done. Done.
मिंदर भाई आपने क्लियर करना है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. अगर आप
Planning
क्लियर
is
नहीं
done.
करेंगे देखिए प्लानिंग इज
Done.
डन. खुल के बोले ना, आप डरे क्यों हैं?
मैं ऑफिस में हूँ तो इतनी ही आवाज लगती है. आई एम स्पीक स्लोली.
हाँ नहीं नहीं स्पीक फास्टर बोले यार. मतलब ओके राइट. प्लानिंग इज डन. My planning, I'm sitting, Satinder, I'm sitting in my office. I'm sitting in my office. Today is a Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. My plan was to kill Monday 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Planning how Monday 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I'm gonna go to my brother house, take a gun,
Take a gun.
take a gun. 11 o'clock, I'm gonna stand in front of his house, and 12 o'clock, he will be out, and I'm gonna kill that person. Planning is done. Okay, now planning is done. Today is a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I stand up. Mean start action on Satinder. Start action on
10 at 10 a.m.
start action
on deliberation. So
planning.
Yes.
Start action on planning is equal to
deliberation.
deliberation. Stand up, take a gun, 11 o'clock, went there, waiting in front of your house, and I kill you. This is called, Parminder, this is called which murder?
First degree.
First degree murder.
First degree.
Is that clear? Any question?
Thank you.
Okay, second. Second degree murder. If deliberation is minus, then
Second degree murder.
second degree murder. Parminder, if deliberation is
Second.
minus, when deliberation was start, for example, today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So my plan was to kill Manish. My plan was to kill
Monday.
huh?
Monday at 12.
Monday at 12. Today is a Friday. When I saw you, oh, this is a good opportunity to kill that person. This is a very good opportunity to kill that person. And I kill you. Still, my intention was to kill, but minus planning was minus. Oh, deliberation was minus. So this is called Parminder
Second degree.
second degree murder. Out of deliberation, second degree murder. So first step, planning and deliberation is equal to
First degree murder.
first degree murder. Okay. So I'm gonna just 9 o'clock. We're gonna go for a little bit break. We're gonna go for little bit break. Okay. Okay. And Manish bhai, is it possible to read this thing?
Yes.
This
sir.
is a section. If you wanna see New York penal section, if you're gonna write, this is a first degree murder section. Can you write? Can you read?
Yes, sir, sure. In New York criminal law, first degree murder is codified under New
आपने
York
प्यार से पढ़ना है, मोहब्बत से पढ़ना है. देखें, ये इंग्लिश पढ़ने का मुकाबला नहीं. इन न्यूयॉर्क criminal
New
law,
York criminal
first
law.
degree murder is codified.
Codified.
Okay. So this is planning and deliberation. Okay, this is a planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. Second step for first degree murder is this is called felony murder rule. Felony
Murder rule.
murder rule. What is felony murder rule? If okay, second step. I need. Okay, my name is Amir Chaudhary. My plan was just to rob. My plan was just to burglary. My plan was just to rape. My plan was just to kidnapping you. My plan was to arson. My plan was to drug trafficking. While committing these offense does not matter. Okay, while for example, my plan was to rob bank. My plan was to rob
Bank.
बैंक. आप बोला करें ना सत्येंद्र बेटा.
Yes.
देखो वो क्या कहते हैं, इंटरेक्टिव आई थिंक. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स.
Okay.
टॉपिक इज
Second degree murder.
Felony offenses.
ओके, सेकंड डिग्री मर्डर. जस्ट 1 second.
Actually, that screen went off.
Okay, this is first degree murder. First
degree.
point is planning and deliberation we have done, right?
Right.
This is also first degree murder.
Okay.
Okay, can you read? This is called first degree felony murder.
Murder.
Not exist in Canada but exist in USA. Anywhere in USA. First degree felony murder. Question can come from first degree felony murder. What is felony murder? Felony murder is Mr. Chaudhary plan was to rob
Bank.
bank. Robbery anywhere, not only bank. Anywhere. Okay. So my plan was to rob bank. Okay. And doesn't matter intentionally. Doesn't matter unintentionally. Someone was killed. For example, middle of the night, my plan was to robbery in your house. My plan was robbery into your house. Middle of the night, I enter into your house in the first floor. Okay, so I had heavy stuff. Oh, by mistake I dropped. Oh my God, 3 years old child was that substance hit to 3 years old child. Or I was in the dark night, I was walking on the floor. Unintentionally, something happened. Someone was killed. Doesn't matter intention is required. Does not matter intention is
Not required.
not required. While these fact always in New York, or write it down. In New York, second degree murder. Other than New York, first degree murder.
First degree.
Felony, first degree felony murder rule. Basically felony murder rule. Felony murder rule. What is a felony murder rule? Mr. Chaudhary was going to rob anywhere. While robbery, someone was killed. My intention was not present. Accidentally, gun was discharged. Accidentally, my intention was not present. In New York, I'll be charged under.
Second degree.
Second degree.
Other than New York,
First degree.
First felony murder.
law. Can you read? Who gonna read this? I don't know who gonna read. Who's okay? चलें read पर कर लें. Clearly करें.
First degree felony murder is a legal doctrine under which a person can be charged with first degree murder if a death occurs during the commission or attempted commissions of a specified felony.
Specified
Regardless-
felony mean this is a specified felony. It's already established. Okay.
Regardless of whether the death was intentional.
Intentionally or unintentionally.
However, some states treat it as a second degree, so the exact classification depends upon the state's law.
Depend on the state law. If in New York, same fact pattern, second degree murder. Other than New York,
First degree.
First degree.
first degree. Again, one more question. Okay. Okay, these are general definition of okay, while committing or attempt to commit a enumerated felony such as, then key element. Okay, can you read? While committing, or one of them is crime while committing aggravating sexual abuse. These are criminal section, whatever. Drug trafficking. Okay, key elements. Can you read?
Commission or attempt of a specified felony. The defendant.
Which is a specified felony? This one. Defendant. Who is the defendant in the given scenario?
Defendant is the
Amir
victim
Chaudhary.
or
Okay.
the accused.
Accused.
The defendant must have been actively involved in the felony or its attempt.
Give me example of felony.
Robbery.
Any example on the bullet points above given, sir? Robbery,
That's
burglary,
it.
rape,
Okay,
kidnapping.
okay. Then
The second is the key element, causation of death. A death must result from the felony, even if unintended or caused by a co-felon.
I will explain. Even two people have a plan. Amir and Amir brother have a plan to rob the bank. Even my brother discharged a gun unintentionally by mistake. From his gun, discharged the gun, someone was killed. Even I'll be responsible.
Both or you only, sir?
Both or यार of course अगर मैं
Exactly.
responsible वो तो हो गए वो तो principal offender. I'm also aider and abetter. Not even in New York both are principal offender in New York, but Canada is a different, slightly different. In New York, America, both are responsible for killing. In New York, both gonna be charged under
First degree. First degree murder.
first degree.
In New York, second
Second
degree.
New York second, rest of US states level.
Exactly. Please, next one.
Enumerated felonies. The felony must be one listed in the state statute for the first degree felony murders. Every state have a different list of felony crimes, so it must be fall under those, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
No separate intent to kill required. The intention to commit the underlying felonies substitutes
So
for
there's no intention. So I'm
malice
gonna say,
aforethought.
okay.
Yeah.
So basic felony murder. So are you enjoying my class?
Yes, sir.
दम है तो फेल होके दिखाना. दम है तो फेल होके दिखाना. ऐसी की तैसी. चाहे वो न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, कोई स्टेट भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनसीए एग्जाम करो. 50 बंदे भी पास होंगे ना मेरे ही पास होंगे. रिमेंबर वन थिंग. You got it, Satinder, Parminder, and Manish.
Sir.
I'm 24/7 available. You got it? Okay, again. Because according to my opinion, if you have to clear 90 to 100% to clear the exam, you have to turn on your
Brother.
camera.
Camera.
You have to turn on your camera. If camera is off, I have no idea what you are doing. ठीक है, तो मैं उनके अब if you are, it's your option. If, off the camera, 50-50. That's my personal opinion. 50% you can qualify, 50% you can be fail. So I will consider only 3 people. Anyway, I need your eye contact. First degree murder. First step is a planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. Second step for first degree murder is
Felony murders.
felony murder rule.
Murders.
What is felony murder rule? Doesn't matter 3 people, 1 people, 2 people, 2 defendant, 3 defendant, 4 defendant, 5 defendant, 6 defendant are going to rob the trailer. One of them gonna kill, doesn't matter intentionally, doesn't matter unintentionally. Doesn't matter. So in New York, all of them gonna be charged under
Second degree.
Second degree.
other than New York.
First degree.
First degree murder. That's it. So last step of first degree murder. Last step of
First degree murder.
write it down. If you're gonna kill specific person, if you're gonna kill specific person, if you're gonna kill specific person like police officer, judge, witness, I'll give you list. If you're gonna kill specific person, and I know that Stinder, I need your eye contact. Don't write.
Okay.
We have done planning and deliberation, first degree murder. Now we have done second. We have done felony murder,
Murders. Yeah.
first degree murder or second degree, first degree. Third step is if you're gonna kill specific person
Yep.
with the knowledge he is a police officer. Always first degree murder, doesn't matter New York or doesn't matter other than New York.
Oh.
Always first degree. I know he's a police officer. I kill police officer. Doesn't matter my deliberation was there or my deliberation was not there. For example, I'm driving a car. Police officer came here. So heat of the moment. Police officer, show me your document. Hey, show me your document. Sir, don't talk to me like that. Police officer is yelling at me. I was yelling back. So heat of the moment I killed. He was in the uniform. I had a knowledge that he is a
Police officer.
police officer, not in a white cloth. If with the knowledge you are killing police officer, judge, or witness some specific person, doesn't matter. You're always second, always first degree murder. Always
First degree murder.
first degree murder. Example, ये देखें, ये देखें. Just 1 second. सारे felony murder के भी हम पढ़ेंगे. We're gonna read. Then we're gonna finish this class first degree under certain condition. Manish bhai, under certain condition. Can you read?
Yes, sir. A person can be charged with the first degree murder if 1. They intentionally cause the death of another person, and 2. Certain aggravating
Actually cause the death of another person who is a specific person. Specific person could be police officer, judge, or this one. Okay. Such as?
And 2, certain aggravating factors exist, such as the victim is a police officer, peace officer, judge, or a witness to a crime. A murder was committed for hire.
Fire.
I hire you. I hire you to kill someone. Of course, there is a planning and deliberation. I hire you, paid killer.
The defendant committed multiple intentional murders.
Multiple. Oh, if you're gonna kill more than one person, always gonna be
First degree.
First degree.
first degree murder. Multiple. More than one person. If you gonna kill, doesn't matter. You got it. So two
Right.
people will kill. Always first degree murder.
The killing occurred during terrorism. The defendant was serving a life sentence.
Okay.
So if the defendant intentionally kills someone during the felony, and one of these aggravating factors is
No,
present,
don't worry about felony. You will be confused. Okay. Example.
example, a robber intentionally shoot and kills a police officer responding to the scene. This is the first degree murder due to the victim's status and the intention to kill.
So what is the victim status?
Police officer.
Police officer. So we're gonna okay. So basically, just hold on. The first degree murder we have done planning and deliberation, felony murder rule, and specific person. Specific person. Specific. My mens rea for kill specific person. My mens rea was to kill specific person. So he is a police officer. Always gonna be charged under
First degree.
first degree murder. But the guy, he was undercover. He was asking some question. He was asking some
Question.
question. When I look at, oh my God, he has a gun. Most likely he's the thief. I took a gun and killed him. Then
No first degree murders.
beautiful. No first degree murder because
I don't know the person's status.
no, because there is no first from the zero. No first degree murder. अब आपने एग्जाम में डिफाइन करना है. You have to define because this is not Ontario bar. Yes or no. Tick mark, tick mark, tick mark. Where you have to explain Why not first degree murder? Because in order to establish first degree murder, there should be a planning and
Deliberation.
deliberation. Here, I
No
was
planning.
driving a car. Because my speed was very high, police officer stopped me. I turned the window down. He asked me for driving license in rude manner. When I in a white in a no he stopped me. I mean in a white car, in a white cloth, he's a undercover. Who the hell you to ask me? I need your driving license. Get out. Because he was undercover. So when I look at, oh my god, he has a gun. Before he gonna introduce himself, I'm a police officer. I didn't have a knowledge he's a police officer. I was thinking he is somewhere else. Ordinary person. I took a gun and killed him. Make sense?
Yeah.
Facts are done. 10 marks question. Write in your own words. What do you think? It's gonna be charged under first degree murder? Question. Examiner gonna ask the question. In the given scenario, can he be charged under first degree murder? You're gonna write, in order to establish first degree murder, there should be a planning and deliberation. In the given scenario, Amir was driving a car. His plan was not to kill. He was going to his office. His planning was not, even if planning is not there, then of course there is no deliberation. There is no deliberation. So there is no first degree murder. Then in order to establish first degree murder, felony murder. If accused, which is Mr. Chaudhary, is going to rob or some certain felony things, but in the given scenario, not applicable. In the given scenario,
Not applicable.
not applicable. So third step, he did not have a knowledge that he is a police officer. So he cannot be charged for
First degree.
first degree murder. That's it. So next question, what do you think? What verdict likely to occur? Maybe second degree murder. Or maybe whatever.
Manslaughter.
Most likely, of course, second degree murder. Make sense?
Yes.
So today is the first day. तो आपको ये बता रहा हूँ, इसी तरह मैं आपको बताऊंगा what is second degree murder, what is manslaughter, voluntarily manslaughter, what is involuntarily manslaughter. This is a combo of four things: murder, second degree murder, in New York, first degree manslaughter, in New York, second degree manslaughter. Okay, so basically, severe crime is first degree murder, less severe is
Second degree murder.
second degree murder, less severe is first degree manslaughter in New York, more or less second degree murder, manslaughter in New York. Other than New York, second or third is different. First degree murder, second degree murder, voluntarily manslaughter, involuntarily manslaughter. Make sense? I wrote everything here. You will see everything is here. Now, okay, अब आपने read करना है. Reading, and I'm gonna ask the question. Okay, example. Can you read this thing? Can you read?
John, a hitman, is paid $50,000 to kill a political figure.
So what do you think? Okay, killed. So what do you think? He'll be charged under what?
First degree.
First degree
First
because
degree murder. Which step? First was second or third?
third.
Third. First was planning and deliberation. It's still planning and deliberation. Of course, still planning and deliberation. You got it? Planning and deliberation. Because I hire specific person. Okay. अब read करें start से. देखें एक second. So lot of things you gonna read. Okay. Now you will understand. First degree murder. Oh, this is a first degree murder under planning and deliberation. This is a first degree murder under felony rule. This is a first degree murder under specific person.
Specific person.
If none of them is established, then
Second degree.
of course second degree murder. Okay. Did you really enjoy? Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Any question, Mr. Tahir, Kiki, Naveed, Tripti, Rohit?
Sir, one question. If, as you said, that when we do the planning and deliberation and the planning was not executed on the day it was planned.
Basically, that was an execution was plan was already done. Sitting in
Yes,
my home, plan is already done.
correct. But deliberation
Sitting
is done
deliberation
unplanned.
is yeah, deliberation is
Unplanned, right?
no,
That
deliberation is not done,
when we take the
unplanned.
example, when one person
Yeah,
who was about
then
to be
second
killed
degree.
on Monday, 12 o'clock, but he came on Friday, 8 o'clock, and I killed that person. Now that 8 o'clock is not first degree murder, that becomes second degree, right? But for example, to kill that person, I planned to purchase a gun and I kept it in my drawer. So when that person came, and I was planning that when that person will come to my office, I will kill that person. So
You
that
know
is
what?
not planned.
First, no, don't go into too much detail. First, I'll give you general idea.
Right.
Then I'll give you. मैं उसको short करता जाऊंगा. First, you
जी,
have to understand sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Right?
जी,
First, you have to understand A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog. Then I'm gonna say AMIR, Amir. You understand? तो वो मैं आपको
yes,
सारा बताऊंगा. अगर आपका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट क्लियर, इफ योर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट क्लियर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोनिया क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट क्लासेस आई विल गिव यू अटेम्प्ट सो आई गिव यू. ठीक है सोनिया?
so it's not attempt. I'm just keeping
नो तो
the
मुझे समझ आ
gun.
गई. वो अगली क्लासों के लिए है.
जी, ठीक है.
First, I'm gonna give you in general bigger picture. General bigger picture. First, you have to understand the general bigger picture. In bigger picture, then we're gonna go into smaller picture.
Right.
ओके. अब जैसे मैंने अपने कीबोर्ड पे सा सीने सारे गामा पादा नी सा, मैं कहते सीख लिया सारे गामा पादा सा, तो गाने कैसे निकालूं? यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो
जी
फिर
सर.
उसके लिए आपको आगे डिटेल. जस्ट वन सेकेंड. ओके. टाइट तो नहीं हो गए?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
ओके. यार देख लेना, I'm only 54 years old. I have to look at your age as well. All of them. I'm only 54. In this age, no one gonna tired. Planning and deliberation. Yes. This is okay. अब देखो एक second. Okay. So can you read felony murder rule? Oh, felony murder rule in New York. Oh, felony murder rule mean okay. Can you read? जब भी मनीष भाई you gonna read
Okay.
breakdown. Whenever you gonna read half line breakdown, half line breakdown, half line breakdown, or make a plan. If a person cause the death of another person, okay. If a person which is Amir Chaudhary cause the death of another person which is Satinder, okay,
Other
okay.
than participant during the commission or attempt commission of certain specified felonies, including robbery, regardless of intent to kill, the appropriate charges is murder in the second degree felony murder.
So why second degree murder? Because New York second degree murder. Other than New York,
First degree.
First degree murder.
first degree murder. I'm not telling penal code of New York is American is telling. Okay, read. Intention is not required. Okay, can you read?
Intent to kill is not required. The law
Example. Okay, example.
during a robbery, if a victim dies accidentally, for example, from a fall or heart attack induced by fear, all participants in a robbery can be charged with a second degree murder under the felony murder rule.
Same fact pattern in New York. Second degree murder in same fact pattern other than New York, then gonna be
First degree murder.
first degree murder. Even 5 people all gonna be charged under first degree murder.
First degree murder.
Different than Canadian law. Okay. Other state felony murder rule. Other state.
In most US states, if a death occurred during the commission or attempted commission of an encountered felony,
Not
such as
encountered,
sorry,
enumerated felonies.
enumerated
Enumerated means
felony,
specific felony, which is
yeah,
already established, like a
established,
robbery.
such as robbery, the charge is typically first degree murder, even if the death was accidental or unintentional,
Why first degree murder?
because it's not in New York State.
York.
या अदर देन न्यूयॉर्क फर्स्ट डिग्री मर्डर ओके आप देखें ना आपने रीड करना हाफ लाइन ओ मेक अ प्लान हाफ लाइन ओ मेक अ प्लान हाफ लाइन ब्रेक डाउन ब्रेक डाउन ब्रेक डाउन ब्रेक डाउन क्योंकि इन द एग्जाम देर इज नो आंसर ए बी सी डी टिक बी टिक ए टिक सी नो 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 सो half paper tick mark tick mark tick mark half paper you have to write IRAC. What is the rule of first degree murder? In order to establish first degree murder, there should be a planning and deliberation. If not planning and deliberation, then we have to look at felony murder rule. If not, then we have to look at any specific person. If all of them, one of them could not be established, there is no first degree murder. Of course, then we have to go into second degree murder or could be manslaughter. तो इसके marks मिलेंगे. You will get the marks. Okay. Example.
In California or Florida, if someone dies during a robbery, even by accident, all felons involved can be charged with first degree murder.
All felons. Felon means if I'm the single person or I have 5 people, all gonna be charged. Different than Canadian criminal law. Okay. Okay, New York, second degree murder felony. Okay, okay. First degree murder felony rule in summary. Can you read in summary?
In New York, accidental or unintended death during enumerated felonies like robbery are charged as a second degree murder under the felony murder rule.
What is a felony murder rule?
During the execution or during the execution of any felonies that specified if someone...
Give me an example of felonies.
The robbery and...
That's it. So that's it. Okay, actors here, don't worry about. Example of actors here, don't worry about. Mens res, don't worry about. Okay, no case law. That's a real case. Okay. People versus Cahill, whatever, don't worry about it. Okay, facts.
Defendant killed his wife and staged
the scene to make it look like an accident.
Staged the scenes to make it look like an accident. Holdings. The court emphasized the importance of proving specific intent to kill.
Specific intention to kill, first degree murder. Specific intention to kill. Plus of course wife को मारा तो कोई deliberation भी होगी. ठीक है, take away.
Mere death is not enough. The prosecution must prove intentional killing.
Of course, intentional killing, if only intention, second degree murder, but intention plus deliberation, then first degree murder. Okay, अब देखना deliberation. Defendant killed his wife. Heat of the moment. हो सकता है या जो भी किया प्लानिंग नहीं थी, heat of the moment किया. अभी देखते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, Matteo was convicted of
killing a police officer in the line of duty.
Okay. So this is
Third.
first degree murder or third point. First degree murder, third point. इसी के आपको marks मिलेंगे. Okay. Manzria?
He acted with intent to kill, knowing the victim was
a police officer. First degree murder, 3 branches. Planning and deliberation, rule out in the given scenario. And felony murder rule does not apply. What does apply? Specific person. With the knowledge, he is a police officer. Okay.
John, a hitman, is paid $50,000 to kill a political figure. He lies in a wait outside the politician's home and shoots her as she walks to her car. The deliberate act of shooting the victim. Manzuria, intent to kill, planned assassination.
So planning and deliberation is going to be charged under
First degree.
first degree. First step, planning and Can you imagine?
deliberation.
देखा ना उसने आउटसाइड वेट कर रहा है घर के बाहर फर्स्ट डिग्री मर्डर अंडर सर्टन कंडीशन अगेन पुलिस ऑफिसर हायर मैन ओके एग्जांपल पुलिस ऑफिसर पीस ऑफिसर करेक्शन ऑफिसर फायर फाइटर emergency medical worker judge witness prior murder conviction okay prior murder conviction I was also convicted what is difference between charge and conviction police will charge me
But it's not proven beyond the reasonable doubt that I commit an offense.
I was acquittal.
Okay.
So charge, police will charge me, maybe judge will convict me, or maybe acquittal. Convict me, I was already convicted under murder. Any murder, second murder, doesn't matter your intention present, your intention is not present. So always charge under whatever, first degree murder. Committed for, see, torture, terrorism, these are, okay, total are 5 total aggravating factors. These are aggravating factors. Okay, doesn't matter. Again, एक second, police officer, judge, prosecutor, witness, murder for hiring, torture देके मारा बंदे को. These are all first degree murder, multiple victims during. अब हम पढ़ते हैं आगे देखते हैं. देखें अभी enjoy कर रहे हैं. Okay, can you read?
The court upheld the first degree murder conviction because the defendant intentionally caused the death of multiple victims during the commission of a separate felony. Satisfying.
So, okay, why first degree murder? First point, second point, or third point?
Third point.
Third point. First point was planning and deliberation. Second was felony murder. Third was
known killing specific person.
Specific person is which is multiple victim is a specific person.
Specific person.
जहाँ आपने 2 बंदों को मारा तो always first degree murder. Okay, now. पढ़ रहे मेरे भाई मनीष भाई.
Sorry, sir. The conviction for first degree murder was upheld since the defendant killed multiple people.
Multiple people. देखें multiple people. अब यहाँ पे देखें ना ये लिखा होगा multiple victim.
Multiple conviction. Yeah.
Always first degree murder. Multiple. Third, first planning and deliberation. If not, then second one is a felony murder. Okay, doesn't matter. For felony murder, one question. For felony murder, intention is required. No, 1 marks. Again, you're gonna get 1 mark. One question, independent question. In order to establish felony murder, for first degree murder, intention is required. You will answer no intention is required. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you read?
The conviction for first degree murder was upheld since the defendant killed multiple people while committing another felony, which meets New York criteria for first degree murder.
Okay, so facts.
Facts. The defendant, Louis Matthew, entered a home intending to commit robbery. So it's a felony robbery. During the course.
Felony robbery.
Yeah.
This is called you are learning. Read half line. Oh, this is called felony murder. In New York, second degree murder.
Degree.
Other than New York,
First degree.
First degree.
During the course of robbery, he intentionally killed multiple people, including a child. Holdings. The New York Court of Appeal upheld Matthew conviction for the first degree murder under penal law, section 125-27, subsection.
section नहीं पढ़ने की जरूरत.
Okay. Which applies when
इसको भी छोड़ दें. Okay, ये देख लें first degree murder statute aggravating factors. Okay, almost, but okay, New York. Can you read? इसको भी छोड़ दें. हम एक सेकंड ठहर जाएं. एक सेकंड. केस लॉ. चलें एक और केस लॉ पढ़ें.
Facts. The defendant murdered a police officers during.
Oh, 100%. Defendant, first of all, defendant kill police officer. Third step, police, specific person. Always gonna be charged under first degree murder. Plus, felony murder rule is also applicable. Make sense?
Makes sense. The court upheld the first degree murder conviction noting the defendant knew the victim was a police officer and intentionally caused the death during the commission of a robbery.
So अब आपने यही एग्जामिनर को बताना है कि there are two kind of first degree murder. Although in the given scenario there is no planning and deliberation, so you will not gonna establish. But second step is a victim knew he is a police officer. This rule applicable specific person. Here he gonna charge for first degree murder plus felony murder rule is also applicable. Two are applicable. You're gonna get
2 marks.
marks.
Facts. Defendant intentionally shot and killed two victims.
Two victims. Again,
So it's gonna be third rule, sir. The multiple
Yeah.
intentional killings.
defendant intention.
The defendant intentionally killed a woman and her child during a robbery.
During a robbery,
Second rule, sir.
Felony.
Felony.
felony murder,
And two
the
people.
woman and her child.
woman and
Felony
child.
murder plus
Third rule.
two people were killed.
Two persons. Yeah. The defendant.
Enjoy कर रहे हो कि नहीं? Okay. Lock in कितना? Okay. No, no matter the first degree. Okay. Example one. Okay.
John, knowing that the victim is a police officer's ambitious and shoots her while
That's it.
he is on
Okay.
duty.
Sarah.
Plants a bomb in a courthouse, intending to kill multiple people. Two people die.
Of course.
First degree murder. sir.
कैसे अब आपको ये देखने पड़ते जब Mike killed someone in a bar fight,
Bar fight,
acting in
acting in
sudden
sudden-
range after being insulted.
Killing
ठीक है?
occurred, possible intent, but lack of aggravating factors.
What? Okay. Why not first degree murder? Why second degree murder? In the bar fight, Mike kills someone in the bar fight. Bar fight. So first you will see. Okay. My name is Mike. Just hold on. Just hold on. My name is Mike. Okay. My name is. I went to the bar for killing someone. Of course, for drinking. So heat of the moment I killed someone. So what do you think? I can be charged for first degree murder. I had a planning and deliberation.
No.
No planning. If no planning, of course, no deliberation. Second, felony murder rule applicable? No.
No.
मुझे यार सतिंदर और आप ना यूं तो आंसर दिया करें एटलीस्ट. मैं आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी देख रहा हूँ. अब मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए क्योंकि अब हम लोग थक गए हैं. ठीक है. आई नो. तो ये कि चलो पहली क्लास है तो you got it. So
Yeah.
planning and deliberation. Topic is my name is Mike. I went to bar for, of course, bar मैं कोई लड़ने के लिए तो नहीं गया. ठीक है ना, bar. So heat of the moment I killed someone.
Yeah.
So examiner question: Can Mike be charged for first degree murder, or what verdict can be occur? Of course, first you will say, in order to establish first degree murder, planning and deliberation. In the given scenario, Mike didn't have any planning and deliberation, so rule out. Then felony murder rule applicable. If felony, but here not applicable. Third,
applicable.
specific person, which is in the given scenario, no specific person. Of course, rule out. What else left?
Second degree murder or manslaughter.
Said second degree murder. है क्या नहीं?
Yes.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Ishtiaq bhai, are you enjoying? चलिए ऐसा करते हैं हम थोड़ी सी ब्रेक ले लें क्योंकि मैं नहीं थकता. I never tired in my life. If you're gonna say continue till whole night, I can do it. People always ask me, are you tired? Never tired. Are you tired? Never tired. What was the reason not to tired? The reason is, if you're gonna follow your passion, my passion is, my result gonna be 100%. Always worry about, enjoy your path. Don't worry about destination. If you're gonna enjoy your path, destination always gonna be good. My path to teach you. My path is to teach you. Your path is to learning, hard work. If you're gonna enjoy, if you're gonna say, oh yaar, oh no, oh shit, oh yes, oh no, then you won't be clear the exam. Make sense? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we're gonna go for 10 minutes break. See you 9:20, 25, 10 minutes. ठीक है या 9:30 रख लेते हैं half an hour.
Right, sir.
Yeah. See 9:15. After 15 minutes, see you after 15 minutes. 10 o'clock we're gonna finish for sure. 10 o'clock we're gonna finish.
Right, sir.
Okay. 9:15. Now 9:30 we're gonna finish. Thank you, barrister and solicitor, criminal lawyer, Mr. Naveed, Rana Naveed. So can you please introduce yourself a little bit? You are a criminal lawyer.
No, sir, I'm not a criminal lawyer. I'm a criminal defense lawyer.
Oh, you are a criminal defense lawyer, not crown attorney. Criminal defense lawyer. So what's your telephone number?
289-556-8088.
289. ਵੈਸੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੱਸਣ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਾਰੇ ਵਕੀਲ ਨੇ.
But sir, I am their colleague.
ਹਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੱਸਣ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ.
I'm also a student like them.
Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you. Thanks. So, okay. So I thought I'm gonna give answer of Sonia Kanda. तो चलो कोई नहीं. Okay, I need your eye contact. We have done first degree murder, first step planning and deliberation. If there is no deliberation, then
Second degree murder.
second degree murder. Number one. Number two. First step is done. Number two is felony murder rule. What is felony murder rule? While committing robbery or these certain steps, doesn't matter intentionally, doesn't matter unintentionally. Anyone gonna be killed? In New York gonna be
Second degree murder.
second degree murder. Other than New York, again
First
first degree murder.
So you're just teaching about the New York?
I just told you.
Okay.
Yeah. So New York and other than New York. New York and other than New York. Make sense? What is felony murder rule? Okay. So, okay. Third step. If you're gonna kill specific person, doesn't matter in New York, does not matter with other than New York. Doesn't matter New York, doesn't matter other than New York. If you're gonna kill specific person, Mr. Naveed, specific person, give me an example of specific person.
Police officer.
Okay, yes.
Police officer.
Police officer,
Judge.
witness,
Two person at a time.
multiple killing.
Multiple killing.
I was already convicted of murder.
Murder.
So always gonna be okay. So if we gonna apply 3 rules, one of them, if none of them gonna apply, of course is gonna be
Second degree.
second degree murder. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Now, okay, Naveed bhai. First degree murder, 3 points. Planning and deliberation. Second, felony murder rule. What is felony murder rule? नहीं पता. Oh, no problem. So third one is specific person. If you're gonna kill, my knowledge is he's a police officer. Okay. So anyway, so not okay. Can you read my killed someone in the bar fight? Okay, no problem. Okay. Short answer. Can you read the short answer? Can you read little louder and speak slow, Manish?
Sure, sir. If the defendant intentionally kills someone during the commission of a felony,
Okay, during the commission of the felony, always
Not always.
first degree murder, sir.
other than New York,
Other than New
first
York.
degree murder,
Or in New York, second degree murder.
Second degree.
second degree murder. If you're gonna apply for New York bar, so answer gonna be second degree.
Second degree.
If you're gonna apply for other than New York bar,
First
same
degree
fact
murder.
pattern, first degree murder.
They can be charged with first degree murder or second degree murder, depending on the fact, especially who was killed, whether
Who was killed? If while felony, who was killed? Doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna take your test. Who was killed? Doesn't matter New York, doesn't matter other than New York. Specific person was a police officer. Then
First degree, sir. Doesn't matter
first
New York.
doesn't matter New York, doesn't matter other than New York, first degree murder. Okay. Now second degree murder. Second degree murder, felony rule.
Murder.
Second degree. It means they are talking about
New York.
New York.
If someone is killed, even unintentionally, during a qualifying felony, for example, robbery, burglary, rape, the defendant can be charged with second degree murder under the felony murder rule. Intent to kill is not required.
Intention is not required. So one question. So Mr. Chaudhary was going to rob the trailer. So accidentally I dropped something or gun was discharged accidentally. So for example, gunman, there was a gunman, he hit or he hit and accidentally gun was discharged. Someone was killed. My intention was not present. So what do you think? What charges can likely to occur?
Second degree.
In New York, it's a second degree murder, sir.
New York second degree murder other than New York?
First degree murder.
First degree, exactly. यही है. ठीक है? Okay. Keep reading.
During a burglary, a co-defendant
Co-defendant mean more than one accused. Amir and Amir brother.
accidentally drops a heavy object, killing the homeowner. Everyone involved in the burglary can be charged with the felony murder second degree, even if no one meant to kill.
Okay.
So if the defendant,
समझ आ रही है ना साथ साथ?
so if the defendant intentionally kills someone during the felony and one of these aggravating factors is present, they may be charged with the first degree murder.
Always breakdown, line breakdown. Okay, if the defendant intentionally kills someone during the felony, my intention was not to kill, my intention was to felony mean robbery. My intention was to
do the robbery.
Robbery. So while robbery, oh my God, this guy saw my face. This guy recognized my
Face.
face. Oh my God, he can be my witness. He can be
My witness.
fact pattern. At the time of the crime, judge was not present, crown prosecutor was not present, defense lawyer was not present, police is not present. How we gonna make a decision? From the fact pattern. Fact pattern is Amir was going for robbery. Okay. और अभी कौन सी लाइन कौन सी पढ़ रहे थे? हाँ. Okay. When I look at the person, he recognized my face. He recognized my highly
Face.
chances he can be a witness against me. Then I kill him. Highly chances he can be witness against me. I kill.
That is aggravating factor.
Aggravating. Beautiful, yaar, Satinder. I love it. Aggravating factors is always
First degree.
first degree. Specific person. Specific person. Not planning and deliberation, but felony murder. Felony murder doesn't matter. This is a felony rule. But in felony rule, rob plus I
Third.
recognize specific person. Oh, he can be a witness. He can be a
Witness.
specific person. Doesn't matter New York, doesn't matter other than New York, always
First degree.
first degree. Specific person, cut a copy paste. Specific person, always first degree murder. Doesn't matter New York, other than New York. But I did not recognize. Oh my God, I did not recognize. Okay, heat of the moment I kill someone. Heat of the moment while
Kill
felony, while rob, heat of the moment I kill someone. Only fact pattern or I kill someone. Then, other than New York, first degree murder
First
in
degree, New York.
Second degree.
second degree.
क्या बात है भाई, मनीष भाई, got it?
जी sir.
Okay. Okay. So can you read second degree murder?
Actress rea and mens rea for second degree murder case law did examples in New York. In
Okay.
New York,
Okay.
second degree murder is primarily governed by New York penal law under section is this to establish a charge of a second degree murder. The prosecution must prove both
तो
actress
ये तो हमें पता ही है.
and mens rea.
ओके, आप देखें, अब आगे भी बड़े केस पढ़ेंगे हम कॉन्स्टेंटली. ये देखें, नाउ सेकंड डिग्री मर्डर आई एम गोना एक्सप्लेन इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. सेकंड डिग्री मर्डर. सो सेकंड डिग्री मर्डर इज depraved indifference.
Indifference.
This is second degree murder. What is second degree murder? I will explain. I'll give you one example. Second degree murder. This is called depraved indifference. So first degree murder, felony murder rule for second degree murder is depraved indifference. Second degree murder in America. Same rule applicable. For example. So just I'm gonna finish. Firing into the crowded area. For example, in the marriage party, my intention was not to kill. Firing into the crowded area. If I'm gonna kill, so of course it gonna hit someone. So my intention was not to kill someone. Okay, I need your eye contact. Okay, see, firing a gun into crowded area, shooting randomly into the crowded area, driving at extreme high speed. 20 kilometer, I was driving 100 kilometer. Okay, draw bricks, furniture building. Okay, set fire to an occupied building. Okay, just hold on. I need eye contact. Second degree murder, one rule is depraved indifference. What is depraved indifference? I will explain in next Monday. So I'll give you little idea for second degree murder. Second degree murder mean, for example, second degree murder is example, firing into the crowded area. So my intention was not to kill someone. But extreme indifference, extreme act. यार, firing into the crowded area और घर को आग लगा दी. Set fire to the house, occupied house. Highly chances my intention was not to kill someone. You got it? Yeah, 20 kilometer zone, I was driving in 20 kilometer zone, 120 kilometer. If I'm gonna kill someone, extreme indifference means extreme action, which is called, I need to answer, my friend, please. I know you people are tired. Now I'm gonna finish this class. So again, okay, I need your eye contact. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I'm gonna finish. Okay. So we have almost 50 topics. We have 50 topics. In 50 topics, some topics. So for first degree, second degree murder, first degree manslaughter, second degree manslaughter, assault, aggravated assault, weapon, abduction, defenses, all together 50 to 60 topics. So we're gonna cover in 50 hours. Mean, so 7th July, 7th August, 7th October, August, September and 7th October. So in 3 months, 12 classes. In 12 classes, I'm gonna teach almost 3 hours. Almost 40 hours because 13 weeks. In 14 hours, if we need extra time, I'll give you extra time to cover some topics. Gonna cover within 10 minutes. अगर आपका concept clear है, if your concept is clear, mark my words, you're gonna pass the exam 100% if your concept are clear. Example, we have done first degree murder. Okay, we have done first degree murder, 3 steps. Planning and deliberation, first degree murder. Planning and deliberation is a
First
Degree
rule.
murder.
The first rule,
first
first
degree
degree
murder.
murder.
Okay, what is planning? Planning, sitting in my home. Sitting in my home, making a plan. Monday, 12 o'clock, I'm gonna kill. How I'm gonna kill? 10 o'clock, I'm gonna wake up. 10 o'clock, I'm gonna wake up. Okay, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I'm gonna go to my brother house, take a knife, gun. 11 o'clock, I'm gonna stand in front of your house. On 12 o'clock, I'm gonna kill someone. My planning is done. So before deliberation, if I will kill before deliberation, that gonna be
Second degree murder.
Second degree murder.
second degree murder. कैसे ऐसे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आने हैं सेकंड डिग्री मर्डर. तो डेलिब्रेशन एक्चुअली सोनिया कंडा रेज द वन क्वेश्चन. वो क्वेश्चन क्या था? दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन. सोनिया, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. एक्चुअल डेलिब्रेशन विल बी स्टार्ट. यू नो व्हाट एक्चुअल डेलिब्रेशन? काश सोनिया प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. सोनिया कंडा
Yes, sir.
प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड.
Yes, sir.
अब आपका आंसर देता हूं. देन क्लास गोना बी फिनिश. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible? Can you please turn on camera? Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sonia, she is a barrister and solicitor. And well, Sonia, आप ही introduce client, please. Your office is, I am, this is, okay. Yeah,
Sir, that's okay, sir. We are studying right now. Let's.
okay. I need to eye contact. Sonia, planning and deliberation is equal to first degree murder.
First degree.
Your question was, just listen carefully. Your question was, actually, when deliberation gonna start? When deliberation gonna start? Exactly when? Last step before killing. Last step before
Killing.
killing is a deliberation. So before last step of killing, before everything gonna be fall under.
Deliberation.
No. Again, I need to eye contact. Okay, again. So exact deliberation gonna be start. Okay, I'll let you know. Monday, 12 o'clock, I'm gonna kill. Monday, 12 o'clock, I'm gonna kill. Okay, planning is done. So 10, okay. Today, Monday, 9 o'clock, I stand up. Still deliberation is not done. I stand up. 10 o'clock, I went to my brother house. Still deliberation is not done. 10 o'clock, brother, I need a gun. Deliberation is not start. Then 11 o'clock, I'm standing in front of your,
Door.
no, only Sonia Kanda.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, Sonia, आपका पीछा नहीं छोड़ना. Again, I need your eye contact.
Yes, sir.
दोबारा. Then class gonna be finished. ये very बड़ा मजेदार conversation शुरू होने लगी है. We gonna finish within 10 minutes. देखो, planning and deliberation is equal to first degree murder. Is that okay?
Correct.
Okay, ठीक है. अब when deliberation gonna start? Last step of, before last step of killing. When last step of killing will start, I will let you know. I will let you know. First, you need to understand. Monday, 10 o'clock, 9:30, I stand up. Deliberation is not start. I went to 10 o'clock, I went to my
Brother's house.
brother house, take a
Gun.
gun. Deliberation is not start. 11 o'clock, I was standing in front of your
House.
deliberation is not start. 12 o'clock, you step out from the house, still deliberation is not start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what happened? Oh, he was outside the house. Now my last step is, I took the gun. I start last action. I start to take a knife, gun from the pocket. Deliberation is start. Actually, last step. Deliberation mean last step. So before last step, if I'm gonna kill, that gonna be second degree murder. Example. 10 o'clock, I went to my brother house. When I saw brother give me a gun, 10 o'clock. Brother give me a gun, 10 o'clock. When I step out, oh my God, he is in front of me.
Sir.
It's a good time. I killed. This is called
Second degree.
सेकेंड डिग्री मर्डर एग्जैक्टली। अब देखो ना, अब ये बड़े क्लोज कॉल्स हैं। एक्चुअली डेलिब्रेशन विल बी स्टार्ट व्हेन लास्ट स्टेप बिफोर मर्डर, एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन। उससे पहले
Yes.
जो भी आप कत्ल करोगे ना, तो उसमें इंटेंशन तो थी कत्ल करने की, लेकिन डेलिब्रेशन कब कंप्लीट हो? व्हेन डेलिब्रेशन गोना बी डन, लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ डेलिब्रेशन। डेलिब्रेशन मीन दैट्स इट।
So my question was, I planned that okay, when someone is going to be at my house, I bought a gun to kill that person. So I know
नो
that
आई
that
नो, मैंने
person.
मैंने मैंने कत्ल करना है, कातिल मैंने बनना है। आई हैव,
जी.
ओके।
So आपने
आई
प्लान
डोंट
किया है कि जब
आई
भी,
डोंट अंडरस्टैंड योर लैंग्वेज।
so whenever you plan that whenever a person A will come to your office, you are going to kill that person, and for killing that person, you purchased a gun and kept in your drawer. You did not determine the time, but that person
यार
walked
देखो,
into your.
देन ऑफ कोर्स, ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, ओके, न्यू सिचुएशन। यार मिलियंस ऑफ सिचुएशन, एवरी सिचुएशन, इवन देयर इज नो यूनानिमस डिसीजन, देयर इज नो यूनानिमस
Right.
डिसीजन,
But
एवरीवन हैज
there was planning already done to kill that
planning.
person.
Okay, for example, okay, planning is done. I have a purchase a gun, all the time
Correct.
pocket, in my pocket. Now my deliberation, whenever I'm gonna see you, I'm gonna kill you.
Correct. So that's the
Whenever
first
I'm
degree
gonna
murder.
see you, I will see the good occasion, I will kill you.
Correct.
Then,
That's
So
so
whenever you
that's
kill, that is a
no,
deliberation.
no, no, Sonia, only Sonia.
so that's deliberation.
Deliberation. देखो, I was purchasing the gun with the deliberation. Okay, all the time I'm gonna have a gun in my pocket. Whenever I'm gonna see there is a very good opportunity, if I'm gonna find any time,
You will shoot that
again first
person.
degree murder.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
आप देखो,
That was my
आप देखो,
question.
आप इस वक्त इस स्टेज पे आपको कितना ठक करके आंसर आया है।
Yes, sir. Thank you.
हाँ, Sonia, she is very, very, very successful lawyer. Honest to God, she has. यार आप बताओ ना, इंट्रोडक्शन कराओ ना प्लीज
Thank
यार
you, sir.
थोड़ा सा।
Sir,
If
my
okay, okay, special discount for NCA exam guru student. Okay, everyone is not lawyer. I think Praminder is not lawyer. Satinder is not lawyer, right? Pratinder, आप
I'm a
lawyer
lawyer,
हैं?
sir. I'm lawyer too.
Okay, both are lawyer, but still introduce yourself, please.
My name is Sonia Kanda. I do real estate, commercial business, sale, purchase, closings. My office is Legal Smith Professional Corporation, located at Derry and Dixie intersection. If you have any suggestions, questions, any help, assistance, maybe if you can offer or you can give. So that's all.
So
You're
her
welcome.
office is 7,300 square feet. Touch wood,
No,
mashallah. 7,300 square feet. One day I'm gonna show you some classes. Okay, guys. Thank you very much, Sonia. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Now we have done planning and deliberation. I told you exact deliberation gonna start last step. Okay,
Yes.
even okay. तो अब ये चीज आपको समझ आई है ना? You understand? इसके ऊपर बड़े questions आएंगे. Lot of question. Attempt. Withdraw from attempt. Withdraw. I'll let you know. So, in order to establish first degree murder, there should be a planning and deliberation. What is planning? Planning, sitting in my home, mens rea has been established, planning to kill someone, 12 o'clock. When actually deliberation gonna be start? For example, purchasing a gun. While purchasing a gun with the intention to kill someone. Again, I need your eye contact. Parminder and Satinder. Kiki, I need your eye contact. Mr. Tahir, I need your eye contact. Mr. Maud. Mr. Maud, can you hear me?
Yes, of course. Please
Yes.
continue.
I have
Very
one
interesting.
question. Sorry?
Very interesting scenario. Please continue.
Okay, thank you. So I have to ask that question from you. Mr. Chaudhary is buying a gun with the intention to kill someone. With the intention to kill someone. And police arrest me. Then what charges? ये स्विंग मारी है. It's not relevant in the class for sure. क्योंकि आप बड़े सक्सेस. हाँ.
No charges unless the gun was illegal.
Exactly no charges. Exactly no charges. Even I did not even attempted murder. You know, attempted murder. Murder, attempted murder. So attempt okay, last topic, attempted murder. In next classes, I'm gonna very beautiful. Attempted murder, attempted murder. Again, attempted murder. I thought I'm gonna kill Monday 12 o'clock. I thought Monday 12 o'clock I'm gonna kill you. Monday 12 o'clock. Okay. So 10 o'clock I went to my Satinder, I need eye contact. What I thought? Satinder, what I thought?
That you will kill somebody on Monday.
Monday 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna define attempted murder. Attempted murder.
Okay.
ये भी clear हो गया. 10 o'clock I took a gun from my brother and police arrest me. Can I be charged for attempted murder? No.
No.
Attempted murder mean try to kill you. Then 11 o'clock I'm sitting in my home. Okay? I'm sitting in my home. Can I be charged for attempted murder? No. Attempted murder is, अब मैं थोड़ा सा आगे जा रहा हूं. I know you will be confused. यार आप चेहरे को भी ना आप बड़े टेंस होके बैठे हुए हैं सारे. You both people because no one is turning on the camera. थोड़ा रिलैक्स होके बैठे ना ताकि मजा भी है. Attempted murder. Okay, for example, okay, 11 o'clock. Now 11 o'clock. Police arrest me 11 o'clock. Can I be charged for attempted murder? No.
No.
Okay, attempted murder. Okay. Basically, attempted murder mean 12 o'clock I was
There for shooting.
firing. Finally, you escape your life. You escape your
Life.
so I'll be charged under
Attempted murder.
attempted murder. When attempt gonna start, actually, I can be withdraw. 10 o'clock, police arrest me. 11 o'clock, example, 11 o'clock, I'm sitting in front of your house. Police arrest me. Still no attempted murder. 12 o'clock, still in my gun. I have gun in my pocket. 12 o'clock, you step out from your house and police arrest me. Still there is no attempted murder. Attempted murder is when I just look at my body language. Oh, 12 o'clock, she was out. I'm just watching. While watching, police arrest me. Still not attempted murder. Attempted murder, as soon as I took my hand into pocket, last step. Pocket, a police arrest me.
Yeah.
This is called
Attempted murder.
कैसा है? This is called attempted murder. जरूरी नहीं है कि मैंने गोलियां चलाई दी हैं. Last step is very important. Attempted murder. Okay, attempted murder mean मारने की कोशिश, try to kill you. Finally you escape your life. Real rule is I was trying to kill. Teachen. You escape your life. Attempted murder. If murder, then murder. If you save your life, attempted murder. When attempted murder gonna be start? Okay, 10 o'clock with intention to kill someone. 10 o'clock, I went to my brother's house, take a gun. Police arrest me. Attempted murder. No charges. Different charges. 11 o'clock with the gun, with the intention to kill you. 11 o'clock, police arrest me. No attempted murder. 12 o'clock, you step out from your house. Still, oh, she step out from the house. I have to follow. Walking behind of you. And police arrest me. Still, there is no attempted murder. Attempted murder is last step. When I start last step, took the gun. अब यार देखो कोई ये 2+2 is equal to 4 तो है नहीं. This is law. This is criminal law. This is not 2+2 is equal to 4. This is white, this is black. Everyone has a different interpretation. इतनी खूबसूरत interpretation कोई माइका लाल, no one gonna give it to you. This kind of interpretation. Interpretation is last step. Attempt, definition of attempt, last step. Took the gun with the intention to kill. This is a last step. Even I did not shooting. I even did not भी नहीं की
Shoot.
इसकी अंग्रेजी क्या होगी फायरिंग भी नहीं की didn't even start
When there is an immediate threat.
और यार immediate threat कहाँ से आ गया हाँ अब
If-
जो भी है last step even I did not start even firing took the gun as soon as I took the gun police arrest me this is called
Tempted to murder.
attempted murder I took the gun last step I took the gun with intention to kill as soon as I took the gun so before gun was in my pocket just watching 12 o'clock now you are going outside the house I'm following you I'm following you I'm following you I'm following you and police arrest me still not attempted murder different थ्रेट डिफरेंट चार्ज हो सकते हैं इंटेंशन डिफरेंट चार्ज लग सकता है डिफरेंट चार्ज आई विल लेट यू नो विच इज माई लास्ट स्टेप ओ फॉलो नाउ 1 o'clock continuously I'm following you I start falling 12 o'clock now falling now is 1 o'clock still not attempt is as soon as I took the I take my hand into the pocket, took the gun with the intention, and police stop me. Arrest till in interim period. Attempted murder. Right, Mr. Mouth?
Sounds good.
नहीं सही बताएं दिल से बताएं अच्छा लगा
Anji, of course, it's very interesting. That's why I'm here.
Oh, thank you very much. And thank you very much. And Manish bhai?
Yes, sir. Perfect. You define it very well, sir. Thank you.
अब देखें अब लास्ट बस वी आर फिनिश बिफोर वी गना फिनिश ये देखें एक सेकंड अब ये देखें अब मैंने आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में अभी क्या बताना है अभी तो सेकंड डिग्री ही स्टार्ट हुआ है लॉट ऑफ सेकंड डिग्री ओके देन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी गना मेक अस fast second degree then voluntarily manslaughter then involuntarily manslaughter in coit crimes okay aiding and abetting aid I'll give you gun to kill that person aiding abetting so impossibility of legal this is also very interesting factual impossibility or legal impossibility factual impossibility abandonment mean withdraw okay withdraw abandonment withdraw I decided I'm gonna kill 12 o'clock I decided I'm gonna kill 12 o'clock right 10 o'clock I went to my brother's house take a gun now 11 o'clock I'm sitting in front of your home I can withdraw no attempted murder I can withdraw you got it withdraw मैं हर उस स्टेज पे कर सकता हूं जो लास्ट अटेम्प्ट से पहले है लास्ट एनीवे अब देखो ना ये जो ना फैक्चुअल इम्पॉसिबिलिटी आई टेक माई हैंड इन योर पॉकेट with the intention to steal something actually your pocket was empty can it be charged for stealing okay I think this is illegal this is illegal thing or take this to other place actually this is legal देखो my intention to steal something from your pocket factual impossibility facts are your pocket was empty मैंने हाथ अंदर मारा I take my hand to your pocket was empty can he charge for theft or attempted theft okay I think someone told me oh this is illegal with my intention of Praminder take to your home this is illegal actually this is legal देखो दो डिफरेंट सिनेरियो आई विल गिव यू सिनेरियो जी कुमाक्षी थैंक यू वेरी मच कुमाक्षी यू लुक सो प्रिटी टुडे
Thank you, sir.
so now did you really enjoy okay so tomorrow Tuesday Kumakshi gonna teach what will you teach
I will be doing contract law.
you gonna start contract what time 7:30.
7:30.
7:30 or different time?
No, 7:30.
7:30. So please join 7:30 to most likely maybe 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. 7:30. So she's gonna start contract law. Tomorrow, contract law. Yes, go ahead, Kumakshi.
Okay, so thank you everyone. It was a wonderful session with Mr. Amir. And I am 100% sure, because even I was a participant to the class, we've learned a lot of concepts that we actually used to miss while we were either practicing or we were studying law or we were into our, practice of the different arenas. Now for the further discussion of these classes, as promised, we are going to deliver the whole week as the introductory lectures. So this means even if I am doing contracts or it's Ms. Shipra or Ms. Arushi taking up the classes, these classes for the very first week are going to be completely free of cost, so that we people get to know each other, we learn some concepts, and we know the base of what we are going forward with. So you're on mute. Okay, so a very noticeable information for people who want to attend the further classes is we would be circulating our the joining link for the further classes in a WhatsApp group. You can have mine and Amir sir's number. I hope Amir sir would be repeating after me when I'm done with saying my number. You have to contact us and we will share the further link for the other classes like you received the one. Also, there's a WhatsApp group. Anybody who wants to join will have the access to it. You'll receive all the updates, all the information in that group itself, so that you people are updated, fully updated for the whole course. Now, for joining or for any support, you can have my number. It's +91 700 945 1185. I'm repeating it for yourself. +91 700 945 1185. When it comes to Mr. Amir, I'm 100% sure everybody of you has his number, but still I'm going to repeat it for you. It's going to be +1 289 +1 289 654 6583. Repeating it again, +1 289 654 6583. So for any further classes, 100% requested, please contact us so that you get the further links and you are well before within the class, like almost 10 to 15 minutes, so that we can start the class on time. Now coming to the part of the fees, how is the course going to be divided and how long will the course sustain? So as discussed in the initial phase of the class, we will not be covering any specific state. We'll be giving you generalized knowledge of all the states, including the federal laws, including any common law included, and including all the general concepts that apply on all the states. And anybody of you wanting to go for any specific state can go forward and see the particular legislation and apply the concepts that we have taught in the class, which makes it easy for you to crack the exam. For this particular course, we require 50 hours per subject. So when we are talking about 50 hours per subject, we divide our syllabus into 2.5 hours lecture. That's going to be 10 sessions for a single subject, 10 to 12, depending on the syllabus. Some subjects like criminal law, like civil procedure, like real estate and constitution, they are a bit overwhelming. So we can expect 12 to 15 lectures, whereas as told that contract law or torts law is a bit easier on the side, we can expect a shorter class or less number of hours for that particular subject. Secondly, for this particular session, the notes would be the lecture notes we would be handing over to you. Plus, it is highly recommended that you write your own notes during the class. When it comes to the teacher explaining the concepts, definitely involve with the teacher. Otherwise, when you see this particular session in your recording, make your own notes that help you prepare much well than expected. Number 3, we come to the fee part. Our generalized fee for the course of USA bar preparation is going to be 3,500 Canadian dollars plus taxes. Now, as a part of our initiative and an intro discount for the very first batch that we are holding, we are offering this particular batch for anybody who enrolls within the first week, that is till Saturday, 14th of August. This particular course will be at a discounted price of $3,000 plus taxes. Now, these $3,000, you can have a payment plan and stuff. You can get in touch with Mr. Amir or with me, and we can help you enroll in the process and give you a better payment plan. In this particular session, we'll be covering not 12, but 13 courses. 12 courses of the UBE and the state specific exam, and one additional subject, that is PR, for the MPRE examination required by many states to show your competency and professional responsibility. So in total, if you are taking this course, you're going to get 13 subject tutoring complete end to end. This whole batch is going to last for more than 6 months, because we are expecting 3 months preparation for the core 6 subjects and then further 3 months for next 6 subjects. Thereafter, the validity of anybody who enrolls would be for more than 1 year. Once you enroll, you'll be given all the terms of the thing, and recordings will be available. Everybody will have an access, just like you had in your NCAs and your barrister solicitors. So if there's any question, you're more than welcome to ask. I hope I've made myself clear. I expect a yes, no answers, please.
Yes, all good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any questions so far?
Thank you for the information.
सोनिया कंडा, अब ये मेरा ऑफिस हो गया। सोनिया कंडा की जगह ना ये मैंने ले लिया ऑफिस।
आपका ही है ये।
Okay, so Kiki, Ika, did you enjoy this class? Rohit, Ishtiaq, if you...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Seriously, Kiki, you know what? To clear exam, turn on your camera. Honestly, I'm telling you, turn on. Next class, I'm not gonna teach first degree. What is first degree murder planning and deliberation? Next class, I'm not gonna teach felony murder rule. I will assume you will understand what is felony murder. I'm not gonna teach felony in New York, second degree murder, felony other than New York, first degree murder. I'm not gonna teach. Third, specific person. Specific person mean anyone gonna kill specific person. I'm not gonna teach who are specific person. I will assume you understand specific person. The point to be noted, you have to turn on your camera and I need your eye contact. Is that clear, Kiki? Kiki,
yes,
can
sir.
you please?
So sorry. I'm currently driving, so that's why I'm unable.
So that's not fair if you are
turn on
driving
my
a car
camera.
and watching my lecture. So this is 50% you will
I'm
learn.
listening to the lecture. Yeah.
Sorry?
Sir, I believe we'll have access to recordings, right, of today's lecture. So that's why.
Again, if you're gonna rely only on the recording, so 50% pass, 50% not to pass. My thumb rule. So interactive class, interactive, right? हमेशा ही भूल जाता हूँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need a interactive class.
Okay.
Eye contact. Interactive.
Interaction.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. ਉਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੈ. You got it? Kiki, you got it? Tahir
Yes,
Bhai,
sir, I did. Yes, sir, I
Shipra,
did.
Ishtiyaq, Sonia, Manish, Parminder, a lot of people are here. So to clear exam, no matter what, we must clear the exam no matter what. Doesn't matter New York, doesn't matter California, doesn't matter other than California. If 50 people gonna be passed, that's my promise to you. 40 out of 50 will be NCA exam guru student. That's my promise to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Parminder, but I need your proper attention. 3 hours before class, don't eat. 3 hours before class, don't talk on the phone. 3 hours before class, just relax. Even minimum 2 hours before class, don't eat. 2 hours before class, don't even talk on the phone. Just relax, hypnotize, relax, calm, cool. In my class, tuck, 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 tuck. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
For me, actually, I'm from Sydney. So
You're
before
from
three,
Sydney.
yes, I'm from Sydney. So I believe like all your like students are from Canada, but I'm from Sydney. So there is a time zone. For me, it's right now. It's afternoon, like around 12:30
Oh, okay. Sydney from Australia, right?
from
So no
Sydney. Yes.
problem. No problem. It's okay. So,
But
but
I
keep
really enjoy. But I really enjoy your class. Really enjoy your. I think you are the my second teacher in my life who taught a criminal law in such a detail. One is from the like Western Sydney University. He's my lecturer. Marvelous, marvelous. And you are the second person of this. Really like it. And you, I'm not
तारीफ
sure
हो
like
रही
you
है
are.
अच्छा लग रहा
Hanji.
है
And
यार
you, I
थैंक
think you are, and you, I think you are Mr. Amir Chaudhary. I'm working for a lawyer in Sydney. It's MSc lawyer, Muhammad Iqbal Chaudhary. So I'm working there for 4 years. So really enjoy your class. Really, really.
you very much. I really would like
E-
to appreciate for this
Even
great
before
honor.
the class, even before the class, I'm just thinking it's like a time difference. I'm just wake up because I have to start my office, drop my kids at the school. I say, okay, just stop it. Then I say, okay, just start it and have a look how it goes. And after that, I really enjoy. I just leave my laptop just on the side. I just forget about the job.
Beautiful.
Just concentrate on the class.
Exactly, exactly. Even in Sydney, Melbourne, or Brisbane, I have a lot of lawyers there in Australia. If you need any kind of lawyer, you are also lawyer too. So
Yes,
corporate
I'm a
lawyer,
lawyer.
business lawyer.
Yes, actually, I'm a criminal lawyer and a family lawyer. I'm doing migration as well.
Yeah.
Other than that, I'm working in the Australian
So
taxation
next
office.
year, that's my promise to you. You will be an American lawyer. That's my
Thank
promise
you.
to you.
Thank you, sir. Actually, that's my dream.
How dare to fail my student?
Thank you, sir.
दम है
Thank
तो
you.
फेल करके दिखाओ ऐसी की
Nah,
तैसी
yes,
ये
I
जिद
really
है
enjoy.
मेरी जिद
Yeah, thank you, sir.
चले थैंक यू वेरी मच कुमाक्षी थैंक यू वेरी मच शिप्रा एंड सोनिया ट्रिप्ती मनीष ताहिर भाई इश्तियाक अहमद so a lot of people are here thank you very much
Just a last question
so
before
see
you
you
leave. Just a last question. For the tomorrow class, for what is the classes contract or whatever, you send another like a invitation or another link, or do I need to
yes go
contact?
ahead kumakshi
So you'll be having a very different link from the one you had today, because that this particular meeting ID belongs to Mr. Amir, and tomorrow's meeting ID would be something that I would be taking up. So for the new link, anybody who wishes to take up the new link will have to text either me or Mr. Amir, and then the link would be sent to you by the IT.
So okay, I'll send my like request to you or to Amir sir as well, so you can send me a link for tomorrow.
100% sure. Thank you. Thank you everyone for your presence, for sparing so much time. It was really a wonderful session.
thank you very
Thank
much
you.
thank you very much bye bye